Rotary International brings together a community of volunteer leaders who dedicate their time and talent to tackle the most pressing humanitarian challenges around the world and within their own communities. Its over 1.2 million members from more than 200 countries and geographical areas impact lives at both the local and international levels and make an important difference in the world. Through its grants programs, Rotary International betters individual lives, contributes to their well-being, and gives them hope for the future. Rotary is definitely a gift to the world. The Rotary Foundation, a not-for-profit corporation that supports the efforts of Rotary International, helps Rotarians share their vision of a better world through its grant process. It guides them in funding projects that are sustainable and measurable and helps address appropriate needs. It also directs funds for short-term projects and activities, either local or international, that support the Foundation's mission, which is to provide service to others, promote integrity, and advance world understanding, goodwill, and peace through its fellowship of business, professional, and community leaders. In order to qualify for both district and global grants, members of our District 7170 had to attend one of 2 grants management seminars offered in the spring. It had to sign a memo of understanding that required their club to follow specific steps involving finances for their project, and had to have a combined per capita giving of $30 to the annual fund and Polio Plus. 10 out of 13 district projects were awarded in 2014-15 to various clubs in our district. $20,106 was available to be dispersed, and a committee of past district governors, the district secretary and treasurer, and 2 members at large took on the task of dividing the money amongst those applying. 8 clubs were awarded community grants, and 2 others were given international grants. The grant committee was pleased to issue the following. The Bainbridge Museum in Bainbridge, New York, plays an important role in the lives of its community. Operated by the Bainbridge Historical Society, it serves as a focal point when entering the village and hosts not only historical artifacts, but serves as a meeting room. Thanks to a $2,500 district community grant initiated by the Bainbridge Rotary, the building has been cleaned, sealed, and painted. This visible project also helps promote Rotary in the Bainbridge community. The Cortland County Community Action Snack Pack program provides nutritional food and snacks for at-risk school children during the weekends in Cortland. A district community grant of $1,000 was awarded to the Rotary Club of Cortland and provided 549 backpacks for this program. Also contained in the backpacks were recipes and up-to-date nutrition, education materials to benefit low-income families. 131 children benefited from the program. Through a community analysis conducted by the Cortland County Community Action Program, or the CACTC Coalition, Cortland County students in grades 6, 8, 10, and 12 have indicated that they do not feel strongly valued or attached to their community. They report that they want to move away as soon as possible and essentially do not see Cortland County as a place of opportunity. With the help of a $1,000 community grant awarded to the Cortland Rotary, the Jump Start 10 conference has been developed for 10th graders. The goal is to portray the many community services and career opportunities available in Cortland County. A volunteer fair will be included in the one-day event, and students will be offered mini grants in a Cash for Change program that will offer them chances to become involved in pro-social community projects. Health for Haiti is SUNY Broom's first faculty-led global service course that culminates in a 10-day trip to Haiti. Launched in January 2014, the major focus of this course is to provide practical humanitarian assistance to the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere and prepare students to contribute to global security and prosperity. By partnering with local volunteers who have experience working in Haiti, the students use their training and skills by participating in projects aimed at improving the quality of life of the Haitian people. They raise money for supplies and equipment, and each is expected to pay for their transportation. The Rotary Club of Endwell was awarded a $1,400 international district grant to assist one of the more needy students with their travel expense. In cooperation with the Broome County Council of Churches Youth Mentoring Initiative, the Rotary Club of Hillcrest and several students and scouts built 2 wheelchair ramps for families in the Hillcrest area. With a community grant of $1,000, they were able to dig holes for support bases, spread gravel, cut wood, assemble and install the handicapped ramps. The projects benefited 2 families whose elderly handicapped women up until then were not able to enter or leave their home without assistance. With the help of a $4,400 District International grant, plus financial support from the Rotary Clubs of Binghamton, Hobart, and Nagon Hills in Kenya, Africa, a farm pond was constructed on the 5-acre site that houses the Huruma Children's Home in Kenya. It is now a part of an irrigation system that is used to water their vegetable garden that feeds the 150 children that reside at the home. 17 parents in Milford, New York, struggle to provide food for their families. With a community grant of $2,500, support from various community foundations, and a partnership between the Rotary Clubs of Milford and Cooperstown, 35 students who rely upon the federal free reduced lunch program are now provided with food for the weekends. Students from the Interact Club help load food into backpacks, which are then distributed to the needy children. This has helped the interactors become aware of the need within their community, and they in turn organized a food drive to supplement the program. A $2,500 district community grant awarded to the Richfield Springs Rotary Club enhanced the learning environment of the Richfield Springs Community Center's Positive Lifestyle Activities program. The grant enabled the center to purchase age-appropriate early childhood educational toys that encourages imaginary play and games. The program benefits 20 children during the school year and more during the summer. Many students in the Trumansburg Central School System compete each year in a robotics competition. The program reaches 40 children in the elementary, middle, and high schools and provides opportunities to problem solve and work together in a friendly competition. Those participating are given a sense of self-worth and confidence. The $2,000 grant that was awarded to the Rotary Club of Trumansburg was used to purchase the new Lego EV3 robot to replace an older series for the valuable program. This year, the Trumansburg students were thrilled to be sent to the national competition. Unadilla's Community Food Pantry is now providing food once a month for over 110 families. 5 years ago, it provided food for about 60 families. With this increase and its lack of handicapped accessibility, the pantry needed a larger space for its refrigerators, freezers, tables, bins, and food supplies. The Unadilla Club held several fundraisers for the food bank and applied for and was awarded a district grant of $2,500 for the project. Now 125 to 200 clients are served every month on one floor, and the pantry is able to serve clients in a safer and more efficient manner. 3 years ago, Rotary International implemented the Global Grant. These grants must have a budget of over $30,000, be initiated in a host country, and fall within one of the 6 areas of focus. District Designated Funds, or DDF, and club donations are used to subsidize these projects and are matched by the Rotary Foundation. With a global grant of $35,250, our district is now working to provide several villages in the district of Jangpur in east central Nepal with much-needed sanitary facilities, as well as education about the cause of disease transmission and prevention. Most rural families in this area do not have latrines or toilets, which result in a detrimental effect on the environment. There is also a lack of knowledge among village residents about the causes of disease transmission. This grant will build 400 sanitary toilets in homes and increase the awareness of easy ways to improve health conditions. Initiated by Ben Curtis of the Trumansburg Club and Bob Ross of the Cortland Rotary, Ithaca, Nimmensburg, and Cooperstown, Dryden, Endicott, Groton, and our district generously contributed to this project. Our district joined 12 other districts and 2 clubs in providing funding for the development of 22 new water sources and the rehabilitation of 11 existing water sources in the APAC district of northern Uganda. This project will benefit over 16,000 people by providing them with safe drinking water and sanitation. In addition, District 7170 joined 17 districts and 3 clubs in establishing the first human heart valve tissue bank in Sri Lanka. Approximately 2,500 children are born with heart defects in Sri Lanka, and this bank will give these children a chance through surgery to survive to adulthood and ultimately contribute to the economy of their communities. With the initiative of the past Rotary International Director, Bill Cadwallader, and under the Foundation's matching grant program, our district continues to support 6 projects in Venezuela, Mexico, and Colombia. They strive to educate young people about the effects of adolescent pregnancies and test them for the HIV/AIDS virus. Our giving towards the eradication of polio steadily goes on. $40,970 was raised this past year by our clubs, and $10,000 was given by our district in the form of district-designated funds, for a total of $50,970. The number of those affected continues to lessen, and we look forward to the total eradication of this dreadful disease in 2018. This past year, our clubs raised a total of $161,266. That is $21,800 more than the previous year. Your generosity and commitment to the Rotary Foundation is definitely helping to do good in the world and within our communities. As our district governor nominee says, as a Rotarian, I can build a world that I want to live in.